name is Anya, and today I really want to make a peach poke cake. A poke cake is essentially a flat cake that you poke holes in and pour jelly in, and that sounds really nice. I really want to try it. And one of my viewers sent me an email, and they sent me a video on how to get perfect flat cakes. And I thought this was the perfect opportunity to test that out, since I need a relatively flat surface for this poke cake. So I thought I would test it out and see how that goes. If you also want to send me some tips or tricks, you can send it through to my email, which I'll put on the screen, or you can comment down below. If you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. I learned this tip from one of my viewers who sent in a video, is where you take paper towels and you measure around the size of your pan that you're going to be using. Once you have the correct size, dampen the paper towels and place on tin foil that you measured out to the same size of the pan. Wrap the tin foil around the paper towels and wrap the tin foil around the pan. In a bowl with 1½ cups of flour, add 1 3/4 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of butter and 1 cup of sugar until light and fluffy. Add 2 eggs, one at a time. Mix until well combined. Add 2 teaspoons of clear vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Add your flour mixture and 1/2 cup of milk, starting and ending with the flour mixture. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. The tip that the viewer sent in worked. I am so happy with how flat the cake turned out, and I really recommend that you try this at home. Add 1 packet of jelly. I use peach flavored jelly. Add 1 cup of boiling water to that and mix until well combined. With a wooden spoon, poke holes in the cake while the cake is still warm. Pour the jelly over the cake and place the cake in the fridge for 2 hours. Spread 3/4 cup of whipped cream on top. And decorate with peach slices. And after you cut, you're supposed to see streaks of peach jelly, but unfortunately I did not, so I'm going to say that this was a fail. But I think next time I'll probably use red jelly or maybe green jelly to see the color more. If you have any suggestions, please email me or you can comment down below. Even though I could not see the peach jelly streaks, the cake still tasted really nice.